Are you tired of manually entering every transaction from your bank into QuickBooks, spending hours on reconciliation, and still worrying about accuracy? You know that connecting your bank to QuickBooks is supposed to save you time, streamline your bookkeeping, and give you a real-time view of your cash flow. But maybe you've held off because you're worried about security, or perhaps you tried it once and ended up with a chaotic mess that was harder to clean up than your original manual process. Connecting your bank feed is one of the most powerful features in QuickBooks, but if you don't set it up and manage it correctly, it can lead to frustrating errors, incorrect reports, and even unnecessary fees. The right way isn't just about clicking connect. It's about preparation, execution, and ongoing management. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 simple steps to connect your bank to QuickBooks Online properly, ensuring you save time, maintain accuracy, and actually get the clear financial picture you need. Step 1. Prepare your books. Before you even think about hitting that connect button, you need to make sure your QuickBooks is ready. Think of this as clearing the path for the data. Review your chart of accounts. COA. Ensure you have the correct bank account listed in your COA. The name in QuickBooks should clearly identify the actual bank account you are connecting, e.g., Chase Business Checking, 1234. Determine your connection starting date. Decide on the exact date you want QuickBooks to start importing transactions. If you've already reconciled your books up to the end of last month, start the connection on the first day of the current month. This prevents duplicating old transactions and saves you a huge headache later. Pro tip: make sure your beginning balance in QuickBooks matches your bank statement for that starting date. Step 2. Execute the connection. Once your books are prepared, you can connect the account securely. Navigate to Banking. In QuickBooks Online, click on the Banking tab on the left navigation bar, then click Add Account. Search and log in securely. Search for your bank. QuickBooks uses secure, encrypted connections. When prompted, log in using your bank's online credentials. Never provide your credentials to anyone other than the secure, official QuickBooks connection window. Map the account. After logging in, QuickBooks will show you the bank accounts available for connection. You must carefully select the correct physical bank account and then map it to the correct corresponding account in your QuickBooks chart of accounts. This is where step 1 pays off. If the names don't match, you'll be connecting the data to the wrong bucket. Set the date range. This is crucial. When asked, set the start date you determined in step 1. QuickBooks will then pull in the transactions from that date forward. Step 3. Manage and maintain the feed. The connection is made, the transactions are flowing in. Now the real work and the real time saving begins. Categorize and accept transactions. Your goal is to move the transactions from the For Review tab to the Categorize tab every single day or 2. Don't let this list build up. Rule creation. As you categorize expenses and income, use the rules feature extensively. If you see a transaction for staples for office supplies, create a rule so that every future transaction from that vendor is automatically assigned to the office supplies expense account. This is the single biggest time saver. Matching. Be diligent about matching bank transactions to existing invoices, payments, or bills you've already entered in QuickBooks. If you enter an invoice payment manually, the bank feed will automatically find the match, suggesting the correct action. Reconcile monthly. Even with the bank feed, you must reconcile the account every month. This is your final check. It ensures that the cleared balance in QuickBooks exactly matches the ending balance on your bank statement, confirming you haven't missed a transaction or duplicated one accidentally. Connecting your bank the right way is about setting a solid foundation, being precise during the setup, and establishing a consistent daily routine for categorization. Once you do that, QuickBooks becomes an incredible tool that provides accurate, near real-time financial data with minimal effort. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.